limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hat scene, caps, and boxings. And today we have a LMB hat, Mexican League Baseball. Let's take a look at what we have in today. Here it is, the Oaxacas de Guerreros, Mexican League team, founded in 1996, one-time champion of the Mexican League. And this particular style is like a Lucha Libre, like a pro wrestler Mexico theme. And there it is. It's pretty nifty. There is Mexican or Lucha Libre theme hats. Not many though. You see more Day of the Dead type of hats now through baseball teams and NBA teams. Day of the Dead, and it has that like the skull and all that. It's a Mexican theme type of thing, kind of like a Halloween. But this is a Lucha Libre one, and I'm not sure if this is a particular theme they had going on one night or it's just a particular style for this hat. That's the only one I've seen so far of this team out of all the Mexican teams. So, or at least for this particular style, Lucha Libre. So we're working with 7 3/8, 59.50. Let's take a look at other aspects of the cap. Lucha Libre. This isn't really an on-field type of hat. You don't see the LMB logo on the back. You see Guerreros, so a little bit of a side shot, cute angle, and we got a Mexican flag right here. A lot of people do like that Mexican flag. They like a side patch in the side. The cap, you're going to get that on this one. We're working with a 7 3/8 polyester. There's a polyester, there it is, and the LMB. With some other smorgasbord right there. You see that in some of the caps produced. 59.50 on the inside. Right now, that a lot of people do enjoy the Day of the Dead type of hats. That is definitely the theme that people do enjoy, and the Lucha Libre themes I've seen online. So people do like the theme that New Era produces, and some of these teams come up with for design and ideas. So I think it does sell well, no doubt about it. And will they oversaturate the market? That's another question. But if you're going to see a Lucha Libre, it's usually going to be on a Mexican team, especially the LMB. Day of the Dead, that's spanning everywhere. But, you know, the most popular Dodgers, stuff like that, with the big Mexican population. So if you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase hats like these, LMB hats, LMP hats, Mexican League, baseball, soccer, whatever, it's in the description. You want to take a look. Free shipping USA, shipping worldwide. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day. So long and farewell.